Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use copper in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need to find copper ore, which is commonly located underground. Make sure you have at least a stone pickaxe to mine it efficiently. Once you've gathered raw copper, smelt it in a furnace to transform it into shiny copper ingots, ready for crafting. This is your first step to unlocking copper's potential. With your copper ingots, you can craft a block of copper by placing 9 ingots in a 3x3 grid on a crafting table. These blocks are excellent for building and decorative purposes. Keep in mind that copper blocks will naturally oxidize over time, gradually changing from a bright orange to a greenish hue. If you want to preserve a specific oxidation stage of your copper, simply apply a honeycomb to the block to wax it. This will prevent any further color changes. You can also use a stone cutter to create various cut copper blocks, such as stairs and slabs, providing even more decorative possibilities for your builds. Beyond building, copper has practical uses. You can craft a lightning rod by placing 3 copper ingots vertically in a crafting table. Lightning rods are useful for redirecting lightning strikes, protecting your structures. Additionally, 2 copper ingots combined with 1 amethyst shard can create a spyglass, allowing you to zoom in on distant objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.